This is my quick and delish recipe for dill pickles made in the microwave. In a large microwave safe bowl, combine 7 to 8 small cucumbers, which is about 4 cups. They will be sliced at about 1/4 inch thick. Then you're going to add 6 to 8 fresh dill sprigs chopped, and stir. In another bowl, add 1½ cups of water, 3/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/2 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and a pinch of red pepper. Mix well. And cover with the Cuchina safe vented glass lid. Carefully pour the hot water vinegar mixture over the cucumbers. Mix well. Cover with the Cuchina safe vented lid, and it's going to go back into the microwave. Let the mixture cool and transfer it into sterile canning jars. Seal and chill in the refrigerator overnight for crispy dill pickles. This is a good dill pickle. It's crunchy too.